Okay, so it's been a bit over a week since I got the bike. Been at work for a tour as well, so I've done a few little things to the bike. Haven't done anything major. Mainly just cleaning it up and going over it, getting it to run pretty good now. So I've done a few things like partially restored the plastics. Don't know if I got any good photos, but they were really sort of faded and got that sort of chalky look to them. So I used a heat gun and just sort of go over it, and it sort of restores them a bit. Doesn't make them look brand new, but pretty good really for no money. So I did a couple of the panels, plastics with it. Peeled the stickers off because they're peeling anyway, and did the heat trick with that. Did the black. That actually black looks really good when you do the heat gun trick. Makes it look really good. Repainted the side panels just quickly. Don't know if I'm going to keep it silver. I was thinking of doing it black to match sort of orange front, black rear, but the standard was silver, so see. I've got black paint there, so I might give that a go. I added the Enduro tail light because I don't have the factory tail light, so that's just mounted for now, not wired up. I need to get a couple of connectors for that. So that'll give me tail light, brake light, and it's got the number plate light on there. What else have I done? I also dropped the gearbox oil, changed that out. Got some really good quality two-stroke oil. So when I did the tests, I was just using normal sort of lawnmower two-stroke oil, so not the best stuff, but I had it on hand to get it running. Change that out. I did get some new grips, just some cheap ones, Pro Taper ones, $20. The other ones were old and a bit torn up. So yeah, changed them. Changed the bar pad because it was destroyed. The other one, just from being so old, foam doesn't really seem to last that long. And just gave the bike a pretty good clean degreaser, so I cleaned up all the front area, motor. So the bike's looking really good now. I've ordered a fair few parts. A couple of them arrived, like the clutch lever was broken off down here somewhere, so I got a new one. So I've got the Speedo drive cable. It's coming, should be here tomorrow hopefully. So that connects up to the Speedo, to the front tyre, in here, that drive. I checked the drive, it still works. I was a bit worried that might be stuffed. So that's done. All the other electrics seem to work, the horn works, all that, indicators work. Well, the ones that were on there, I've removed them now. So what parts have I ordered? I've ordered a new headlight bulb. It seems to be a bit of a weird size, B20D. So that's coming. Front and rear brake pads, sintered brake pads, so they're coming. What else have I got showing up? Front and rear tyres. So these are old, and I don't really know if they're DOT tyres. They didn't really look. They're just old, and the cracks and that in the knobs. So been doing a lot of eBay sales and that, so got a set of Motos Enduro tyres, the intermediate ones, so they're DOT approved, they'll go on, so they're coming. I've got indicators coming, new LED indicators for front and rear, so I need to get an LED relay for that. What else have I got coming? Sprockets, front and rear. and a new chain. That's the one thing that's pretty much stopping it from being rideable, apart from the brakes being a bit off because they need to be replaced, but the chain's just old, and yeah. So I've got a X-ring chain coming for that. New sprocket front and rear. Probably don't need it, I'm just a bit iffy on these alloy sprockets. I just want something that lasts longer, so I've got the sprocket that's got the alloy up to here and then it goes to metal. Got that cheap, it was nearly half price, $50 I think that was, for Super Sprox brand, so pretty good brand. Got the chain, RHK X-ring chain, I think that was $85 delivered, normally like 130, and the front sprocket is about $20 delivered. So all good. I'm pretty sure that's everything I've got coming for the bike really. Still a few things I've got to organise. I need to get some mirrors. I'm going to get ones that fold so I can get them out of the way. I need to order a new switch because it likes going right but doesn't go left easy, so I'll have to change. Apart from that, I was going to get new plastics, but I think I'll just keep these until they're trashed. A few marks in place and that, but pretty good. So yeah, the only thing really stopping it from being a rideable bike is new chain and do the brakes. I've got brake fluid there for it to put it on, and yeah, then it'll be the little things to get it road registered, which shouldn't be too much hopefully. The indicators, wire up this light, put the relay in for the indicators so they work properly, new headlight bulb, and then just make sure the switch works or fix it. Yeah, it's just too dodgy, so shouldn't take much to get on the road, but I've got a holiday coming up, so that's going to take priority. The dog's playing up. So it starts pretty much first, second kick now. So yeah, it runs pretty good. We'll have to give it a bit of a shakedown test soon once I've got the brakes and sprocket on, chain on.